Welcome again, children. Let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 12th of November 2020. Day is Thursday. Subject is English workbook. Topic is lesson number 19, nouns and adjectives, and lesson number 20, opposites of verbs. So take out your workbook, children. This is your lesson number 19 given on page number 26. Excuse me. Let's start today's nouns and adjectives. You already know the name of a person, place, animal, or things are called nouns, or the name of anything is called noun. And adjectives are the words which tells you something about the noun. Noun और pronoun के बारे में कुछ भी जो words बताते हैं उन्हें adjectives कहते हैं. Now, question number 1 is underline the nouns and circle the adjectives in the following. यहाँ पे जो nouns होंगे उनको आपको underline करना है और जो adjectives होंगे उनको आपको circle करना है. So, दिस इज अ स्टोरी गिवन और पोएम गिवन टू यू. पोएम यह है एक तरह से स्टोरी की फॉर्म, स्टोरी है पोएम की फॉर्म में. एंड यू हैव टू सर्कल द नाउन्स, अंडरलाइन द नाउन्स एंड सर्कल द एडजेक्टिव्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. I met some rabbits. Rabbits are the noun. So underline the noun. Okay, underline the noun. While I went walking. इसमें कोई भी noun and adjective. We got talking. No nouns and adjective. Rabbits and I. Again the rabbits है तो हम चाहें तो इन्हें underline कर सकते हैं, or we can leave it because the repetition of noun is there. Where are you going in your brown furry coats? अब यहाँ पे coat is a noun. Coats is the noun. So you can underline it. और ये कैसा coat है? Brown and furry. So you can circle the adjectives here. Brown और furry को you can circle. Coat कैसा है? Brown and furry. So you can circle the adjectives. I said to the rabbits. Rabbits जो है again आपका noun है. As they went by. Down to the village. Village is the name of a place. So you can underline it. To get some oats. Oats is the thing. Will you come with us? No, not I. I met a puppy. Puppy is the name of the animal, so you can underline it. Noun. While I went walking, we got talking. No noun, no adjective is there. Puppy and I. Puppy is again, you can underline. Where are you going this nice fine day? Day is a और कैसा डे है ये? Nice and fine. So you can circle it. I said to the puppy as he went by. Puppy is the noun here again. He went by. Up in the hills is the place to roll and play. Roll and play are the verbs. I'll come with you, puppy. Puppy is again the noun, said I. So this is how you will underline and circle it. Okay. Now write the complete answers to the following question. इस poem को देख के आपको इन questions के answer लिखने. Question 1 is where were the rabbits going? What did they want to do there? Rabbits कहाँ जा रहे थे? क्या करना चाहते थे? The rabbits were going to the village to get some oats. You can write the answer. The rabbits were going to the village to get some oats. Okay. Question 2 is did the poet go with them? क्या poet उनके साथ गया था? No, he did not. No, he did not. We had studied कि कैसे हम short में answer दे सकते हैं. Where was the puppy going? What did he want to do there? Puppy कहाँ जा रहा था और वो क्या करना चाहता था? The puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. The puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. Again, then full stop. The puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. Full stop. Did the poet go with him? क्या poet puppy के साथ गया था? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. So this is all in this lesson. We will start the next lesson, lesson number 20, opposites of verbs. यहाँ पे आपको verbs के opposite दिए गए हैं. यहाँ पे आपको देखना है. Question A is find the 5 verbs and the opposites in the word search square. यहाँ पे एक word search square दी गई है. उसमें से आपको verb, पहले verb को ढूंढना है फिर उनके opposites. तो verb मैंने पहले से आपके लिए find out करके रख दिया. I have already done it. I have find out 5 verbs for you and then उनके opposites अब हम find करेंगे. फर्स्ट आपका यहाँ पे दिए गए विन. विन का ऑपोजिट है लूज. पुल. पुल का ऑपोजिट होता है पुश, सो यू कैन circle it, push. Okay, then come का opposite होता है go. Then buy का opposite होता है sell, SELL, sell. And the last one is ask का opposite होता है reply. So you can, जो हम लोग के ब्लू में मैंने किए गए हैं वो सारे आपके क्वेश्चन वाले वर्ड्स हैं, और जो रेड से किए हैं वो सारे आंसर वाले वर्ड्स हैं. पुल, पुश, कम, गो, देन बाय, सेल, विन, लूज, रिप्लाई, आस्क और रिप्लाई. And the same thing you will write here. Win, opposite is lose. Pull, opposite is push. Come, opposite is go. Buy, sell, ask, reply. Okay. Now stranger in the set. Circle the word which is the stranger in the set. The odd one out आपको circle करना है. First one is given king, kitchen and emperor. King and emperor are same. Kitchen is the strange word here, so you will circle the kitchen. Dawn, dusk and sunrise. Dawn and sunrise are the same words, and dusk is the different word, so you will circle the dusk. Tall, fall, drop. Fall and drop means the same thing. दोनों का मतलब गिरना होता है. Tall is a different word here, so we will circle the tall. Quiet, fast, quick. Fast and quick दोनों एक जैसा होता है. तेज के दोनों का मतलब तेज होता है. Quiet is the different word here, चुप रहना. So we will circle the quiet. Hard, difficult, simple. Simple is a strange word here. Circle simple. Escape, tape, run away. Escape and run away are the same word. Tape is the different word. Circle the tape. So dusk, tall, quiet, simple, tape. These are the strange words in the set. This is all for today. Thank you.